Do you have a problem getting past the gatekeeper? If you do, the solution to the challenge has as much to do with your attitude as your sales skills. The challenge is in the use of that word gatekeeper, because the moment you encounter them, you think of them as the enemy, the person who's going to stop you from speaking with your prospect. So when the gatekeeper answers the telephone, your mind goes into a negative state and impacts on what you say and how you say it, even if you're trying to be pleasant. And what you are thinking consciously and subconsciously comes across, and the gatekeeper doesn't like it. And then they probably get difficult. Let's be clear. Gatekeepers are not hired because they are horrible, nasty people whose sole function is to ruin the livelihoods of salespeople. If they were horrible and nasty, they wouldn't get hired in the first place. He or she is probably very well qualified, often with a university degree. They're personable, sociable, frequently have a background in sales, and often run their boss's office for them and handle their diaries. They do, however, have various responsibilities, one of which is to prevent their boss from being disturbed by irrelevant and unnecessary telephone calls. And this is important. 2, to put through calls that they think their boss would possibly benefit from taking. So from now on, instead of thinking them as gatekeepers, think of them as door openers. Be polite, respectful, and professional. Don't try to avoid answering questions, and don't tell lies or even half-truths. And don't be over-friendly. Just treat them as the door opener. Have something intelligent and interesting to say that their boss is likely to want to know about, and more often than not, they will open the door for you.